Good morning, dear students. Now today we will study few more rules about the naming of the organic compound. But before we will start, let me just name one of the yesterday's query which I got from few students. So here let us first see the longest chain. This was the example of our yesterday's last example, yesterday's video's last example. So here you see CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now let us consider the longest chain first. So if we go for the straight chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 possibilities are there. 4 carbon, 5 carbon and 6 carbon. Now, when we consider 6 carbon, the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then this methyl group is on the third attachment from here, if we consider from here. But if we consider from here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, then this methyl group will be on the fourth carbon. So, we will have to go the substituent where it is getting the lowest position. So 1, 2, 3. On third carbon it will be considered the methyl substituent. So it will be 3 methyl, and actually the carbon numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 3 methyl hexane. I hope those who are having query that we can't go for the lowest number, this one, but this is to be considered. This is a substituent because this is the continuous chain. Clear? So the name will be 1, 2, 3. On third carbon attachment is there of methyl group. So 3 hyphen methyl, and total number of carbon is 6. So 3 methyl hexane. Clear? Now let us go for the further rule. Actually this rule we have already discussed in yesterday's rule also, but we will see it once again. The lowest locant rule. This rule is especially for the compounds which have more than one substituent at different places or at different positions. If we have more than one substituent in an organic compound and that too they are at different positions, then how to give the name? So first of all, let us see an example here. This is CH3, CH, CH2, CH, CH2, CH, CH3, and here it is a branch CH3. Now see here how we will give the number. Suppose we start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So from this side also 7. These also 7. If we consider here now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Either side we consider it is 7. But now we will have to see the branches. We can see one branch here, methyl group, one here and one here. So when we come from left to right, then the branches is at position 2, position 4 and position 6. See here, on from left to right, if we consider it is 2, 4, 6. Now let us go from this. So here it is also position 2, 4 and 6. Right? So either from the left side or from the right side, any of the side, then the position of the branch is similar. So from any either side, we can give the name. So if we want to give the name to this compound, then it will be here attachment and here. And all three attachment are the same group, methyl group. So it will be 2, 4, 6 trimethyl, and total number of carbon are longest chain 7. So heptane. It will be 2, 4, 6. All three methyl groups. So trimethyl heptane. Right? Let us see even more example. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 longest chain. Now we will have to see here also 1, 2, 3 branches are there. So if I go from this side, left side, then branches are on second, fourth and fifth carbon, left side. If I go from right side, then branches are at second, third and fifth. See here, second, fourth and fifth, second, third and fifth. So second and fifth are similar, but here the lower position is third. So we will have to start giving numbering from the right hand side. And here, so from right hand side numbering will be considered. So the naming will be 2, 3, 5, trimethyl and total number of carbon 6. So it will be 2, 3, 5 trimethyl hexene. Right? So here see. Here all substituents are same on 3 positions. And these 3 are methyl. So how we will give the name? First the lowest locant set, then hyphen, then ordinal position, substituent alkyl and root word. So here what are the lowest locant set? 2, 4, 5 or 2, 3, 5. So lowest locant is 2, 3, 5. So first 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5 hyphen. Then what is the ordinal position? All 3 methyl. So trimethyl and root word is hexene. Clear? So now let us see on another rule. Naming compounds with more than one same substituent on same carbon. Here we have seen same substituent but on different carbon. Here same substituent but on the same carbon. So for this what we have to do? For this, if same type of substituents are there on one carbon, then also their name is to be considered by that respective position. See here, CH3, CH3 on second carbon. From this side also second, from this side also second. On second carbon, 2 attachments are there, CH3, CH3. So, second carbon, both the methyl. So, what we will do? 2, 2, because this is on second carbon. Second carbon, 1 and 2. So, 2, 2, both are methyl, dimethyl and total carbon in longest chain, 3, propane. 2, 2, dimethyl propane. See here now one more, CH3, CH, CH, CH3. Here attachment is there, branch CH3, this is also branch CH3. Now we can see here that longest chain is 4 carbon and on second, from this side also second, third, from this side also second, third. So second, 2, 3, both are methyl, dimethyl, butane. Okay? So when you will put in a practice, it will be easy for you to give the names. Now the next rule is naming different substituents. See here, whatever the branches were there, all were having methyl. But now there will be some different branches. So first of all, what we will have to do? We will have to consider the longest chain. Then we will have to see the lowest locant. And then we will have to see that on lowest locant, if both attachments are different. Here see, this attachment is CH3, that is methyl, and this attachment is CH2, CH3, so 2 carbon ethyl. Now while giving the name, here we were not having problem because both methyl, all 3 methyl, so trimethyl, dimethyl. But 1 methyl, 1 ethyl. So we will have to give the name as per the alphabetical order. Here both positions are same. Let us see the example and then I'll explain this parallelly. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. When I am considering from here, the first attachment is at third carbon and at fourth carbon. From left it is third and fourth position branch. If we consider from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from here also third and fourth. So from either side we can consider the longest chain and it is the 6. So hexane. But now what is the thing? What we'll have to do? Here on third carbon if we consider methyl and on fourth it is ethyl. So in alphabet we will have to see M come first or ethyl E come first? So ethyl E comes first. So we will have to consider this as a third carbon and this one as the fourth carbon. So here both the position are same, third and fourth. So substituent's name is according to the alphabetical order. So from this side we will consider 1, 2, 3. So 3 hyphen ethyl hyphen 4 methyl hexane. Clear? No comma is done here 3 and 4 because both substituents are different. Here what happened? Both are same. So 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 because both were methyl. But here both are different, so we are not putting here comma. So once again ethyl and methyl. Ethyl comes first in alphabetical order. So 3 ethyl, 4 methyl hexane. One more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see here what happened. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the longest chain is 8. So now what we'll have to do? If we consider from here 1, 2, 3. Then third is attachment and here also is on third attachment. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if we will consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and accordingly if we give the name, then our name will be incorrect. See what happened. I consider this only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But you see, when we see from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means this is not a longest chain. That is why I have written here like this. So don't do such type of mistake. Twice and thrice you check it from either side, from branch also, the longest chain. Now if we consider this chain is the longest because 8 carbon. So if we consider from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then attachment is on 6th carbon, right? And if we consider from here 1, 2, 3, then attachment is on 3rd carbon and attachment is both methyl. So it will be 2, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3 dimethyl octane. What will be the name? 3, 3. So this name will be 3, 3. And total 8 carbons. So it will be octane. Clear? So please take care of this longest chain. It should be considered in a proper manner. Right? So according to this straight chain, this is the wrong. The next is naming complex chains. Now what is the complex chain? So complex chain mean a branch even on the substituents. We have seen here the substituents. Some branch is there. But now on the branch also there is a branch. Then such type of chains are called complex chain. In naming complex, the complex will be considered in the bracket. Now let us see this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from all this side it is 8 carbon. So let us consider this straight because from here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th carbon attachment. From here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon attachment. So we will have to go from this side. Now see here on this 4th carbon this is the attachment. But even this attachment is not just straight. It is also having a branch, right? So here substituent is there and substituent is also having a branch. So this complete is considered as a complex. So first The complex chain is given a name and then the parent chain. And this complex chain is given in a bracket. So on which position is the complex chain? It is on fourth carbon. So first we will write 4, then hyphen, then in a bracket. Now the carbon which is attached to the parent chain will be given number 1. So see here, 1, 2, 3. This carbon is attached to the parent chain. So it will be the 1, 2 and 3. So fourth position, complex chain, 4 hyphen into bracket. First carbon we have methyl group attached. Second carbon also we have methyl group attached. So it will be 1, 2 dimethyl. And what is the branch? 1, 2, 3 propyl. So see here, on fourth carbon sub branch is there. So in the bracket 1, 2 dimethyl propyl, and total parent chain carbon is 8. So it will be octane. 4 hyphen into bracket 1, 2 dimethyl propyl octane. Clear? All these examples which I have done and which I am explaining you practice it once again yourself also. So only you will be able to understand. Let us see one more example here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here we can see it is 9. But now here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So longest chain is on 10. Now see what happened here. First, second. On second carbon, 2 methyl group. On third carbon also 1 methyl group. Right? So what we will have to give the name now? 1, 2. That means on second carbon both methyl are there. So 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3 hyphen all 3 methyl. Trimethyl, and on fifth now what is happening here? 1, 2, 3 propyl. 5 propyl and longest chain 10. So 2, 2, 3 trimethyl 5 propyl decene. Clear? What we are going to do? The first attachment, then the functional group, alkyl group attached, then the second branch when it is, and the complete root word. Right? Now see, one example is here which I have left not given the name. Let us see what we will do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Let us take another chance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So possibility is 8 and 9. From here we considered 8. From here it is 9. From here it was also 9. Now maximum number, that is longest chain, we are having 9 carbons. Now we will have to see the lowest locant. From here we consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what happened? Where is the branch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 6. One set is, from left side we are getting 5 and 6. Okay. From right side let us see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So from right side we are getting 4 and 5. One more is also with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here see what happened. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Right? This is the 5. And again on 5 is the branch. That we forgot. We considered here. Now if we consider this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But this is the straight line, and here we can see there is the complex. So here is also one more rule to be kept in mind, that if there is more than one possibility is of having a longest carbon chain, then we have to consider that chain which consists complex chain, right? So if we consider from here, then this is left aside. So we will have to consider this as a longest chain because complex chain is here as well as complex chain is here. So this longest chain will be considered. Two complexes are there. And in two complexes, again two possibilities, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will consider from right hand side. Now see here, the fourth position is our complex chain. So first what we will have to do, write 4, then hyphen, then complex will be in the bracket. Please take care everyone. Now in a bracket, please see this carbon is attached to the parent chain. So this will be your number 1 and this will be your number 2. Clear? Now see, on one carbon, 1 methyl group, on second carbon, 2 methyl group. So what we will do? 1, 2, 2. How we will write? 1, 2, 2, hyphen, all are methyl, 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 methyl. How many? 3. So T capital, then all small. Tri methyl. And what is the chain here? 1 and 2 carbon. So it is our ethyl group. I hope this you understood. Now this branch, that is this complex, is over. So we will close the bracket. Now what is the next? On fifth carbon. So fifth carbon. So again 5 dash that is hyphen and bracket. Now see, this carbon is attached to the parent chain. So this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it will be butyl. But here attachment you see on first carbon, second and third. Here are also all methyl. So here also what we will do? 1, 2, 3. See, no space is there, so I will continue here. Here also tri methyl and total 4 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be butyl. Clear? And bracket close. And total how many were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be our nonene. Clear? So two complexes were there. One this complex and one this complex. So first complex on fourth carbon, second complex on fifth carbon, and our parent chain is nonene. Clear? The next is rules for naming compounds having double and triple bonds. Now this many rules we have seen and we have given the name. They were all having single chain, so alkane series were there. But now it will be alkene and alkyne also, double and triple bond. So here also the first general rule is to select the longest chain. So select the longest chain in the compound which contains double or triple bond. Right? So here is an example, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2, C, double bond CH. Now see if I give the numbers. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then also this number we are not going to give. And we are supposed to give this. Why? Because in this double bond is not present. And in this chain double bond is present. So for double and triple bond, in identifying the parent chain, the longest chain rule is violated. What do you mean by here violated? Here violated it means sometimes if in a longest chain number of carbon is more, but if it doesn't consist double or triple bond and double and triple bond remains in some other portion, then that chain is to be considered. Clear? The next is numbering is done in such a manner that double or triple bond gets the lowest number. Right? Let us see here. CH3, CH2, CH, CH2. Now see, these are all 4 carbon. But double bond is here, so we will give number from here. Because if I give number here 1, then 1, 2, 3, third carbon double bond will be there. And if I give number from here, then it will be on the first carbon. So lowest number will be given. So total 4 carbon, so it is but. But here it is not butane double bond, so it will be butene. Now double bond is on first carbon, so if we will not write number, then also it's okay. And if we write number, then also it is correct for only one. That means if double bond is on one carbon and if we will not write number 1, then it's okay. But at another place we will have 2. So here butene or but1ene, both are correct. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I consider here 1, 2, 3, this double bond is on third carbon. And from here 1, 2. Right? So if from this it is third, but from this it is second. So this is to be considered. Total 5 carbon. So pant double bond is on second carbon. Don't consider here on third carbon. You have to consider the carbon at which place it starts. So starts from second and third. So 2 we will consider. So pant 2E. Now sometimes if both double and triple bonds are present, then also we will give preference first to the double bond. CH triple bond C, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Right? So here it is triple bond, so we will not give first number here. This is the wrong method. We will have to give preference to double bond first. So this is the correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5. Pent on one carbon double bond. So pent 1ene. Now here still our bond is continuation. So E and E will be skipped. And it is on fourth carbon triple bond. So pent 1ene 4ine. Clear? Now next is if two double bonds are present, then lowest locant and ordinal numbering is to be done. C, CH, triple bond C, CH, double bond CH, CH, double bond CH2. Now here triple bond is there, so first we will go for double bond only. So this is the first position, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane is there. But double bond, so it won't be hexane, hexene. But here you see, this is first carbon and then third carbon. So how we will give the name? Hex 1, 3 diene. D-I-E-N, because still triple bond is there. So it will not take E-N. Hex 1, 3 diene, and on fifth carbon triple bond 5-ine. Clear? The next one, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 5 is there, continuous chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we consider straight line, only this double bond will be considered and this will be left out. So as I told, that in double and triple bond, longest chain is not to be considered straight chain only. We have to consider all the double bond into the parent chain. So this will be our chance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here on first carbon and on third carbon double bond. From here if we consider it will 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be on 2 and 4. So 4 will be more than 3. So we will consider from this side. So 1, 2, 3. Now here on third carbon one attachment is also left out. That is CH2, CH3, 2 carbon ethyl. So first we will consider it 3 ethyl pant 1, 3 diene. First carbon double bond even on third carbon double bond. So we will take 3 ethyl pant 1, 3 diene. Here we will consider E and E. Here we are not supposed to skip because now no more continuation of triple or double bond is to be given. Clear? I hope that you please practice this, and we will continue our rules further tomorrow by the time. Thank you.